Hey, what's up? A lot of you have been asking, I think especially since my house tour, what is behind these doors right here? You wanna know what I eat, what do I stock up on? Is this thing organized? Well, today is the day for the big reveal where I'm gonna show you what's in my fridge. Here we go. I thought that was gonna be a bit smoother. It's like, crash, crash. Literally, this is not staged, you guys. Like, I am slightly concerned about what's in here. This is almond milk, unsweetened. This is what Israel uses for his coffee every single day. And now I use it for a lot of stuff too because, surprise! I am officially now vegan, or attempting to be vegan. I've actually done it for a few weeks now, and I love it, so this is now a part of my whole diet as well. This is celery juice. Okay, so as you may have noticed when I opened both doors, I am celery juice obsessed. I actually followed this person on Instagram called The Medical Medium. He put me onto celery juice. So now Israel and I are both on this major celery juice kick, and we juice every single morning. We have 16 ounces. If we haven't made it ourselves, Lana actually goes to Whole Foods and gets it done for me. If you're not about that life, get on this celery juice life. It's bomb. I'm gonna continue to drink this while we continue doing this. The other thing that I'm absolutely obsessed with is H2 Rose. You guys know that you can use rose water on your face when you cleanse your face, but now you can actually drink it and it's just as good for your skin. We've got orange juice, we've got mango juice back here. We've also got grapefruit juice, organic grapefruit juice. This 100% is for my nieces. They drink chocolate milk. Actually, Jet used to call it leche laque. Just random fun fact, but yeah. Moving right along, vitality shots. Let me know if any of you guys do these in the morning. I like to stock up on them and just shoot them first thing in the morning. This is turmeric, lemon, coconut water, and black pepper. Again, it's to make sure you don't get sick during the winter. And I love having these. I actually always have these in the morning at The Real, and they're awesome. Ginger beer. Israel loves ginger beer. It doesn't have actual beer in it, people. Before you guys come on here talking about he's a Christian man, why he drinking beer? It's ginger beer. Okay, moving right along. What else do I have? Crandophilus for urinary tract in here. What the hell? Oh, I don't know why they're in the fridge, but they should stay there. Okay, one thing I do see here that's kind of crazy. Do you see this? I want you to know that as a wife, I took the time to make guac for my husband. I not only created this amazing presentation with pine nuts, a little cilantro on top, and I told him, babe, I left you some guac in the fridge while I go to work at The Real. I'm so glad that he enjoyed my hard work, my labor, you know, that arm work. Here it is. It's now gone bad and he never touched it. That's so whack. What? Okay, and the good old, yes. Look, I'm just like you. I got baking soda in my fridge too. Okay, make sure that it's not all stinky in here. Now with my New Year's diet, I've got Ezekiel Bread here. Ezekiel Bread is really good. I actually love to do avocado toast on Ezekiel Bread for breakfast in the morning. It's one of my favorite things to do. Even though I'm currently not doing eggs, Israel does eggs for protein, and I think this is awesome. One of my favorite things to make him actually is these hard-boiled eggs. I love that they come already boiled. Now, how dope is this? Look, it's for like on the go. It goes with 2 eggs, and look at the pack. It has pepper and salt. Anytime he is running around, I try to make sure that my man gets his protein in, so I pack these for him, and I also keep them with myself as well. If ever I'm like dying and struggling, I'll still do the white of the egg. I just don't like the way the yolk tastes. What do we have over here? Me and my to-go stuff. My leftovers. What the heck? Are these Brussels sprouts? Oh no, these gotta go. Lana? Sauteed mushrooms, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and truffle oil. That was good. This was actually before I went vegan. So again, the Parmesan cheese, no thank you, Lana. Boom. Grilled eggplant, zucchini, salt, pepper, and extra virgin oil. Ooh. Expired. Bye. Guys. This is my joy right here. Vegan almond cheesecake, vegan almond chocolate cheesecake, raw vegan almond chocolate cheesecake. And it tastes bomb. I feel like sometimes I just come to the fridge, I do this, I get my fix, and then I leave. Love that. And this was actually a gift from Julissa. It's got water, hibiscus, cinnamon, lemon, apple cider vinegar, raw cane juice, cherries, ginger, mint, pimiento, and agave. Thank you, Julie. Okay, now we're going on to the drawer. And I see literally all of my vegan cheeses. So the one thing that I wasn't sure I could give up when I became a vegan was cheese. I'm like, guys, I'm just too French to give up cheese, you know? I had to check out every single fake cheese there was, vegan cheese. So I got this one, sun-dried tomato garlic, this chow slices, tofu cheese, smoked Gouda, wink wink dairy free. Is it Gouda or Gouda? Gouda. Israel is not vegan, I am, so some of the stuff is still in here. So we've got bacon, sausage. No home is complete without good old sweet Hawaiian. These are not just any kind of crescents, oh no, Hawaiian. You know that it's not Israel's home if it doesn't have cookies in it. His favorite dessert of all time is cookies. So there are random nights where he's like, will you bake me some cookies? Now we've got the door. We clearly have way too many things. We love sriracha in this house. We love hot sauce. For a minute there, we were doing the apple cider vinegar every morning. But the one thing that's standing out to me right now is good old Bobby Brown's barbecue sauce. Booyah. He actually came to our show, and the barbecue sauce is bomb, I'm not gonna lie. And the cool thing about it is it's gluten-free. I'm here for you, Bobby. Now for the other side. What do we have over here? Of course, more celery. We are very serious about this, and we stock up on our celery because I think other people are catching on to how amazing celery juice is, because the other day we were trying to Instacart and they were out of celery. Every place was out of celery. We were like, oh no, people know. We've got blueberries, watermelon, salads. Arugula is my favorite salad. Spinach as well. Up here, Israel's vitamins, and the vitamins I take every morning. They're Vima. Amazing. Good stuff. The guac that you buy in the store that miraculously somehow does not turn brown. Let me know in the comments below if you know why this one didn't turn brown, but the one I made for Israel turned brown overnight. And I put lemon in it, so don't say that. I put lemon in, I put lime in it. Actually, I just put lime. Oh my gosh. Who does not love sweet tea? Gotta love it. So we keep that on hand. People come to our house and they're like, yo, you got that sweet tea? We're like, yup, Chick-fil-A sweet tea. Keep that on hand. I recently have been making incredible apple pie pancakes that are vegan, and instead of eggs, you add applesauce, and it's amazing. It actually tastes like apple bread, like pumpkin bread, but it's apple bread, and it's phenomenal, absolutely delicious, and if I can convince my husband, then you know it's really good. In the drawers, lemons, limes, peppers, cucumbers, fresh garlic. I make myself garlic tea constantly. Garlic is amazing. It's got so many good healing properties, so I always have fresh, that's actually ginger. Everybody, that was ginger. Oh, damn. Love, love, love ginger. What else do we have here? Can't go wrong with whipped cream. That's not vegan. Recaito, you gotta have some Goya in your fridge. Some garlic, minced garlic. We've got pesto sauce. I don't know what my husband's doing with these random coffee beans in the fridge. Whoa. Guys, I love pure sesame oil. If I just put just the littlest bit on my salad, I can literally eat an entire salad. And it's like, yes, greens. What do we have in here? Okay, we've got sugar-free popsicles on one side. Goya empanada discs, naturally, so we can make our empanadas. What is this? Restore. Who's restoring? This is kind of a random... I should use this. Oh my... Whoa, that's really cold, though. Oh my gosh. I'm about to take this off and look so refreshed. Are you ready? Okay, so when I went vegan, I was like, okay, let me find the things that I know are gonna be a struggle. 1, ice cream, and 2, cheese. You already saw all my cheeses, so now it was finding out who had the best vegan ice cream. Vegan pistachio ice cream. Not gonna front, it was actually amazing. That was vegan. This one is not, but you know I love the black olive brittle and goat cheese. You already know all about that from the crazy things I eat. That's one of my favorite flavors. And on this side, here goes the vegan ones. The Elvis peanut butter banana split, vegan. We've got oatmeal moon pies, and aquafaba marshmallows, vegan. And toasted coconut milk and cookies, which is my favorite one, vegan. This one's the prize for me. I absolutely love it. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Kind of want some right now. That's what's in my fridge and my freezer. I hope you guys enjoyed the big reveal and that maybe it gave you some insight into who I am, what I like. Celery juice. Stay focused, good people. And don't forget to subscribe.